Today guys, I will show you how to fix Crunchyroll sound problem easy and quick. Hello guys, if you have this problem on your Crunchyroll, we will fix it together. So all what you need to do is to open the settings of your phone, click on apps option and search now for Crunchyroll and click. You're gonna see this list of options. Scroll it down now, click storage here, click clear cache and back, click on force stop and click OK. Go after that to Play Store or App Store and update Crunchyroll, and here guys, restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and